Need a new car key? Introducing Simple Key, the new way to easily replace modern car keys without the time, expense, and hassle of a dealership appointment. The do-it-yourself kit includes a universal key, step-by-step instructions, and an easy installer. Replacing modern keys usually requires professional tools and equipment, but Simple Key allows you to add new keys to your vehicle yourself using our simple plug-and-pair technology. Here's how it works. First, get your key cut at a local hardware store. Then, plug the easy installer into your vehicle's standard diagnostics port and follow simple instructions to pair the key to your vehicle in just a few minutes. No tools required. It's that simple. Enjoy big savings over dealership pricing and the convenience of keys replaced in minutes without a dealership appointment. Now, replacing car keys is easier than ever with Simple Key. It's easy. Let's go.